Hindi, I am actually a bit emotional too, no? Maybe because,
Sana yun lang yung gusto.
kung kailan ko makakasama doon, parang patapos na. Magpupos sila. I've come to love these two when I started working with them for, buti sumausaw ako ng konti sa Can't Buy Me Love. And after seeing them, and sabi ko sa Star, I'm ready to work with them. And this movie proved me right, no? Hinog na ang Don Bell for this kind of movie. They're beyond the patwitams. They're beyond the... But, of course, this film will give you that. The kilig, you know, the falling in love. But it includes the pay. It includes mga mali. They are flawed characters, just like we are. But at the end of the day, what's important is how they realize those flaws and start to bring change. So they become a better person. So they become better at the relationship, better people. So I hope everyone, this is not just a story for the young ones, neither for the older ones also, it's for everybody. Sa lahat na gusto magmahal, sa lahat na nagmamahal, this movie is for all of you. So please watch. In the cinemas! Nothing beats watching in the cinemas.
Exactly.